People, this is Mosha from Mosha Reggae Lounge. Check this out, people. I was sitting down playing some chess, and I saw this young man. I'm gonna ask him his name in a minute again. He just rushed. Everybody just had to put a brake on his speed because he was rushing in here. You know what I get to find out? They live in Jamaica, and he went to school in Jamaica. Isn't this awesome? She loves ackee. She's a fan of ackee. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish for Jamaica. This is their friend. And now we have a new fan of Jamaica right here too.
Right. Yes.
So because right now I'm telling you guys, I have never been so excited other than when my friend Esteban and his wife was here. This is just awesome. So from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, now guys, you went to school, you say, right?
Yes.
Where did you go to school?
You'll see United Learning Center for...
Chat some patois, man. Talk some patois. Man, you have to talk some... Ah, there you go. Isn't this exciting, folks? So where you go to school?
United Learning Center, and then I went to school in Hines.
Wow, his father works in the hotel industry. And his beautiful sister was there with him. And you went to school too? No.
Yes.
What? Look at this man.
Yeah.
She went to Hines too. Then let me tell you something. Let me ask you something now. How come the Jamaican man they make you leave Jamaica and don't marry to you? You know? Now you have to speak some patois for me. Tell me. Speak a little patois. You gotta. And this is his mom. This is your mom.
Yes.
And did you live in Jamaica with him?
No.
Okay, so she wasn't in there, but she sent it. This is a good mom.
Mother.
And your name is?
Lisette.
Lisa. Ah, she told me. I'm so stupid with names, guys. And your name, my brother?
Leo.
Leo is my Jamaican brethren, you see? Him have the flavor, him have the new flavor. So listen, guys, I mean, I am so excited about these people. I'm trying to hold on to them. I don't want them to leave yet. So I'm going to sit now, what I can tell them. So now, once again, MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, it's a Sunday. It's Dominican Day at the beach. She just asked me for some ackee and saltfish. I'm going to try to do that for her, but I run out of ackee. So she's very disappointed. So what you like in Jamaica? What kind of food you like?
Well, everything.
Him like everything. So watch it, guys.
Curry chicken.
Him like curry chicken. She like ackee. You ever had Jamaican food?
I haven't tried yet.
Well, we're gonna introduce them to it, and trust me, it's gonna be boom shaka time. Hey guys, we're gonna sign out until next time. When they come to eat, I'm gonna do another video. Thank you.